So you want to buy a home and you don't know how to get started, you're in the right place. Hey, welcome back. Enrique here with First West Financial. This is Enrique's First Time Buyer channel, and I'm so glad you're here. This is a channel where I talk about everything related to buying a home. Everything from credit, how to find the right realtor. I answer questions. I answer easy questions. I answer complicated questions because I am an expert at helping people become homeowners for the first time. And today we're going to answer a big question. I want to buy a home and I don't know how to get started. Enrique, how do I get started buying a home? I am going to give you the answer. I'm going to give you the basics, 1, 2, and 3 first steps so you can get going in the right footing. So the first thing you need to know is that a lot of people actually do things backwards and they make things very complicated for themselves. So some of the things that you don't want to do right away, the first one is you don't want to go in the internet and you want to start clicking on houses and figuring out which house I'm going to buy. See, that's one of the things that people do. They go on Zillow, they go on Redfin, they start looking for homes. They're not pre-qualified, they don't have a budget, they don't know what their credit score is, they don't have a realtor. But when you go into some of these websites and you start clicking, you put in your information, you're going to start getting phone calls, and then you get sidetracked. You don't know how often I get phone calls from people that says, hey, I'm with a realtor, I already went, looked at 2 houses, I got the guy from Zillow, but now I need to get qualified. That's the wrong order. The second thing that I don't want you to do is I don't want you to go online and start filling out online credit applications for mortgages with places like Rocket Mortgage or Lending Tree. First of all, you're not going to get a good deal with them. They're not going to walk you through the process correctly, and this is not how you want to get started. You do not want to start that route. The first thing you want to do, and here's step number 1, is you want to create a determination in your mind by yourself or with your couple, with your significant other, whoever you're buying a house with, that you want to purchase a home. You want to come to an agreement that you are in a position where you want to buy a home. So you have that conversation, say, hey, are we ready to buy a home? Are we ready to do what it takes? Once you make that determination, the second step is you want to connect with a local mortgage broker. That's going to be your first step. You want to get qualified with a local mortgage broker that is going to help you get started. Now, why do I want you to go to a local person? First of all, the local person is going to have the right connections in the community, appraisers, real estate agents, escrow companies. Local is better in this case. So you're probably wondering, if I go with a local guy, am I going to get a good deal? Why would I not go with one of those big companies on TV? Well, first of all, a local broker is going to give you the best deal there is. No question about it. Second, a local broker is going to help you and educate you on the steps that it's going to take. So before you start talking to a realtor, before you start looking at houses, you want to get qualified with a mortgage broker. Now, how do I find a good mortgage broker? Well, if you're in California, give us a call. We'll connect you, 760-488-6482. But if you are anywhere else other than California, go to www.findamortgagebroker.com. That's right, www.findamortgagebroker.com. Put your zip code and you will find a reputable mortgage broker that is going to help you get into a house. Once you have spoken to a local mortgage broker and you are qualified through a mortgage broker, in many cases, they're going to connect you with a reputable real estate agent that specializes in working with first-time buyers. Well, why is that important? Well, because there's a lot of real estate agents that focus on listings, multi-million-dollar listings, manufactured homes. A lot of them don't work with buyers. A lot of them work with buyers part-time, but they don't like working with buyers. And here you're going to be stuck with an agent that reluctantly is going to be out there showing you houses. Your mortgage broker is going to connect you with a real estate agent that specializes in working with people like you. That's why it's so important. So step 1, mindset. Step 2, mortgage broker. Step 3, he will connect you with a real estate agent. Those are the basic steps that you want to take. Don't do it backwards. Now, when it comes to buying a home, this will probably be the largest purchase of your life. I have seen people spend hours researching a computer that costs $400. I have seen people at Costco spend 3 hours, 4 hours researching which TV they're going to buy. It's a $600 TV. But yet, when it comes to buying a home, they go with the first person they find online to get qualified and the first realtor that walks by. And next thing you know, they're making wrong decisions when they're purchasing their home and they're wondering why. You want to spend the time and do your research. So starting with a mortgage broker and then getting connected with a local real estate agent that specializes in first-time buyers. There are a lot of tools. If you want to find out more in detail about what else does it take to purchase a home, check out our channel. We have dozens of videos that cover everything from down payment, assets, funds to close, how to find the perfect realtor, how to select the right mortgage, which program is best for you. So go check out the rest of our videos, hit subscribe. I hope you have a great week and good luck to you finding a home. Talk to you soon.